Start. Good morning. For you, bro.
Cody!
Ask
Cody.
Sir.
Is it?
Put limits on these fucking things. Squeaky.
Hello!
Oh.
Hello!
Oh.
Good one. Good. Shit your pants.
I bet farting.
Oh, here's a good one, bud.
Like a little rumble, like a little bit of
a storm coming in?
like an earthquake. Yeah, a little thunder rumble.
I'll play some right now, T-Berry. Yeah, I like that song. It sounds good.
Yep.
Mom, gross. You are not.
Show.
That. Got him!
That timed out real well. Favorite
Let me
thing.
welcome Mouse to the room.
Oh.
Meow!
50 things that are in that bowl. That was poop. Bye.
Cody! Chicken wings.
Oh, that's a keeper. There.
Woo!
Maybe that day they were like, sorry.
Cody!
More comfortable than this.
All right, I'm done forcing those out.
How did that?
Stop it! Stop it!
I can't. I might poo. I might have. I think I am brewing one. I can't. Oh. Another taste of Syracuse. Take it for show, sister.
There you go.
Fart Mike brought to you by Mike's Colonoscopy. That is.
Here it comes again.
That was in the song. That wasn't even me.
Yeah, that would probably throw.
Oh!
Oh!
Ooh, I got something for you.
You should see the. Phone. Just like, you know, it's just in your calendar. Damn.
Yo! Good reverberation there.
It's in the bathroom. This is me from this morning. Ooh, I didn't even see what bed on yours.
I didn't either. I was looking
distracted you with a fart.
I was looking at your phone.
Fuck you!
Yeah! Got him! Oh, stand by.
No, just up.
All right, let me check the fart mic. Oh, big stretch! No! Oh, Cody!
Oh my god, that did not come out of me.
Somebody get that steel. Cody.
You gotta go potty?
Turn that thing on for a minute, probably.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh. That it fell over.
I got a shout out for you.
And I tried it after the weekend just in case I eat. It was low yesterday. You're an animal. An epic proportions, my friend.
Great job.
What else we got in here?
You guys watch this. Woo! Yeah, bro. Here we go. You're welcome, viewers. You're welcome.